Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Touchless Switchboard using QR code. So here we are using an ESP32 camera module. The camera is OV2640 camera module and 5 volts power supply and 4 relay coils we are using. SPDT relay, single fold double through relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the AC bulb. So this GPIO pin of 12, 13, 14, 15, those are connected with the ESP output, a relay coil, 5 volts relay coil and AC bulbs we are using. And let us coming into the hardware module. So ESP32 camera module we are using. Okay, and here we are using total 4 QR codes. Okay, and bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So here relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, those are connected with 14, 12, 13, 14, 15th pin of ESP32 module and camera. And here four AC bulbs we are using. Alternately bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4. Now I am going to switch on the power supply. Okay. And meanwhile AC bulbs. So I am taking QR code. Now I am going to show the QR code to the QR code reader. Okay. Once the QR code is scanned, okay, according to the QR code scanned, then the bulb should be on and off. Okay, one time is on, other time is off. Okay, so one QR code is scanned. So now I am going to show other QR code. So it will check for the QR code. Okay, yeah, this for other QR code. Okay, now I am going to show the other QR code. One time for on, other time for off. Okay, so there is some delay. Every 3 seconds it will scan for the QR code. Once it is matched with the internal database, then only the light will be on. Okay, so total 4 cards, 1 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now I'm going to take. Okay, so okay, now I'm scanning for the switch of the bulbs. This is touchless switchboard, on and off using QR code. One bulb for one only, one card. Okay, second is scanned and I'm going for third one, blue color bulb. It will can scan for total okay, oh sorry, red bulb. So this is last bulb. Okay, total 4 bulbs should be on and off. Okay, so I am taking 4 card with the 4 RF 4 bulbs. So each card respective bulb on and off. So a simple project, QR code based bulbs on off, touchless switchboard using QR code. Okay, according to the bulb, Rajesh. Okay, bulb on. It will check every 3 seconds to internal database whether the card is proper or not. Okay, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.